चुका है और बैंड्रा का मूड फेस्टिव हो गया है।
लाइट्स थोड़ी ज्यादा ब्राइट और स्ट्रीट्स बहुत ही ज्यादा अलाइव और हर एक कॉर्नर पे एक नया सेलिब्रेशन।
क्रिसमस के अराउंड बैंड्रा सिर्फ एक प्लेस नहीं, एक इमोशन हो जाता है।
और इस इमोशन को सबसे अच्छे से फील करने के लिए वी आर एट द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ बैंड्रा।
Up your stall only Christmas. It is like 15-20 days before.
10-15 दिन, हाँ।
25 days.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Response is fabulous. बहुत crowd होता है। और कितने बजे तक खुले रखते हो?
11:30.
Okay, that's nice.
ये सब 30 के हैं कि अलग अलग साइज के छोटे? ये 30 के बड़े वाले। तो आपके पास वो सेम साइज के बॉक्स में भी है ना? तो वो सस्ता हो जाएगा फिर लेंगे तो। 300 के 6।
इसके अंदर वो लगाते हैं
12
ना
और 30 का एक।
thread या कुछ।
These are to hang on the Christmas. No, these are not to
Okay, I
hang.
like these. No, just
Then
you
that's
have
to
to
hang
put
on the
up.
Christmas
Yeah, he's saying you have to put up the threads to hang.
कितने के?
100 rupees.
100 rupees.
And see the size of the trees. You don't know how XP they sell the trees here.
वो स्टार्स के नीचे चलते हैं ना वहाँ। हिल रोड पे यहाँ आपको सब कुछ मिलता है। बजट शॉपिंग, फेस्टिव डेकोर और ओल्ड स्कूल चार्म।
क्रिसमस के टाइम पे बैंड्रा का एनर्जी लेवल अलग ही होता है। नेक्स्ट लेवल का शॉपिंग, साउंड्स, म्यूजिक, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट मैजिकल हियर।
मैजिकल।
वैसे तो पूरा बैंड्रा सेलिब्रेट करता है क्रिसमस, बट हिल रोड इज वेयर द सेलिब्रेशंस कम ऑल अलाइव।
और इस फेस्टिव वॉक के बाद एक क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन तो बनता है।
लेट्स गो। दिसंबर आ चुका है और बैंड्रा का क्रिसमस मूड ऑफिशियली ऑन है।
क्रिसमस हो, फेस्टिव सीजन हो, लाइट्स हो, फन हो और एडीज ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
Hi, first time at Eddie's.
It's actually my fourth. My
Okay,
fourth
how
time.
did you hear about Eddie's first?
I actually heard about y'all from my best friend. She recommended me Eddie's, and actually it's surprising because she is, amongst the two of us, she's the introvert one. She doesn't like to get out of her house. The first name she told me, let's just go to Eddie's, and I'm like, oh.
Okay, and so nice to hear.
And what you like about Eddie's the most?
Honestly, the vibe here. I can actually sit, chit chat with my friend over prawn crackers. He doesn't eat prawns himself, and have a lot
He
of
watches
wine.
you eat them.
100%. 100%. And he loves the mushroom risotto.
Okay.
So I think we're even that way, and we talk a lot. And the thing about this place is, every time we've actually spoken about a person, the person has landed up here. So now we are very careful who to speak about.
Okay, alright.
So no
George
unwanted
Clooney.
visitors or guests.
George Clooney.
George. Oh yeah, that would be nice.
That would be great.
Yeah. First time at Eddie's?
Regular.
Regular. You'll around the area?
Yeah. Most of us. Yeah.
Okay, can we start with some fun questions?
Please go ahead.
So you're going to place cards here. You'll pick up one card.
Read the question so that we all know what you're answering for.
What's the largest age gap between you and your sexual partner? You go for it. Please come over New Zealand just today.
12 years.
12 years. Okay.
What's the shortest span of time you've known someone before hooking up? Minus 3 seconds.
That's very quick. Means 3 seconds is like.
Did you ask her name or no?
Minus 3, say.
If you could change your gender for just one day, what's the first thing you would do? Touch myself.
Which person here would you most like to be stuck in an elevator with and why? She's so hot. Look at her.
Okay.
I would like to be there.
What's the most awkward romantic encounter you've ever had? Seeing a child wearing a wind cheater running to me in a mall saying I love you. Oh wow. That's her.
Ricky, go for it.
No, I did
oh,
3.
Shri.
That's a bad question to ask.
That's why I put it for you.
I think, who do you think is the worst dressed person in this room? Honest answer, me, I think.
No, you're not.
One-on-one.
You're not.
Yeah, she's also terrible. She's wearing basically the same thing.
If your ex walks in, how would you react? What would you do?
Give her a hug.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Give him a.
That's
Run away.
interesting.
Run away?
For sure, run away. All my exes are
And
crazy.
you, Mihir?
Come, let's have a drink.
Oh, wow.
Buy me a drink.
Buy me a drink.
Buy me a drink.
So would you recommend Eddie's to other people?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
100%.
It's our hangout.
And try the New York Sour. Very
I
good.
was just going to say that.
Have you tried the Christmas menu?
We do every year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every year.
You'll do that again.
Couple of times.
Okay, that's
Been
nice.
coming for half a decade.
Probably
Seriously?
For ages. For ages.
So glad to have you all
Probably
here.
a decade. Yeah.
Have a lovely evening.
Thanks for keeping this place on. Thank you.
Thank you. It's December and the festive feel is all around as Bandra gets set for Christmas.
Lights, carols, and fun is all around.
See you
in the next
soon. Another
episode
episode
of
of Bandra
Bandra
Diaries.